The impeachment of President Trump is moving one step closer to a vote this morning as both sides make their legal case before the House Judiciary Committee. Nancy Cordes is on Capitol Hill with more on this story. Nancy, good morning to you. Exactly what is happening today?
Well, there are going to be 3 congressional lawyers, Gayle, at the witness table today, and they're going to take turns establishing what we do and don't know so far, and then taking questions from lawmakers on the House Judiciary Committee, which is finalizing those articles of impeachment as soon as this week.
The president is engaged in a course of conduct that threatens the integrity of the next election.
That will be the message from Democrats today as top lawyers from both sides lay out all the evidence gathered so far.
I think the case we have, if presented to a jury, would be a guilty verdict in about 3 minutes flat.
House Judiciary Chair Jerry Nadler will preside over the hearing. He says he will not grant a new Republican request to hear from Hunter Biden and the anonymous whistleblower, or anyone the whistleblower relied upon to warn that Mr. Trump was pressuring Ukraine to investigate former Vice President Joe Biden.
They can appeal to the full committee if they wish, and we'll have a vote on that.
The White House has chosen to stay out of the process.
We're not going to participate in a hearing where the guilt is predetermined. That just makes no sense.
Over the weekend, Democrats released a new report that aimed to rebut some of the most common Republican talking points, including the claim that there was no quid pro quo. They wrote, "The evidence proves otherwise." Meanwhile, President Trump said his personal attorney, Rudy Giuliani, wants to give information to Congress that he gathered on a recent trip to Ukraine. Apparently, it's aimed at discrediting the impeachment inquiry. Some Republicans said they welcomed Giuliani's findings.
If he's getting relevant information that comes forth from Ukraine, I think it's important for us to look at.
CBS News has learned that drafts of the articles of impeachment do already exist, but Chairman Nadler says a final decision on the charges, like obstruction of justice and abuse of power, will be made after all the evidence is presented today. Gayle?
Boy, Nancy, that's interesting to hear the drafts already exist. Thank you very much.